welcome back to the Agramatics Cloud Service video guide series. This video we will be going over the Trucks tab in a little bit of extra detail. Go ahead and log in at cloud.agramatics.com and select your account, and you'll be brought here. Today I am working on our Agramatics support account, which is a Pro subscription enabled account. So we'll be going over some of the differences between the basic and Pro features as we go along. But to begin, we can move over to our Trucks tab here. Biggest difference between the Pro and basic subscriptions right off the bat for how your data is organized is basic subscriptions, all of the users are treated as kind of separate databases. So if one user is changed or has something added or has certain data tied to it, it will only be viewable within that user. So you will need to make sure that you have selected the correct user from your users tab here. Pro subscriptions, all of the users' data is synced and combined regularly. So everybody has access to the same data. So if you're not seeing something and you are a basic subscriber, just make sure you've selected the correct user. But we can see here, functionality is going to look similar to the Libre apps. Here I have my truck groups. If you are a Pro subscriber, you gain the ability to edit and add via the web service here. Otherwise, you'll have to do it all through the Libre app kind of as normal. We can see that I can add a new truck group. I could edit the name of my current truck group, and I can archive truck groups. Archiving is a similar function to deleting. It is a obviously Pro service only feature, but it allows you to, instead of just outright deleting all of the data related to a certain thing, you can archive them, and that will still remove them from the scroll list, so you don't have to scroll through old fields or old trucks all the time. But it will instead archive them, so you can still view the data at any point that you need to. Similarly to how deleting works, you do need to archive everything at lower levels in order to be able to archive at a higher level. So I can't archive my truck group without first archiving or deleting all my trucks. Here, because my red truck has no data tied to it or no transactions tied to it, it would be permanently deleted, whereas my blue truck that has at least one load here will be archived. But speaking of our trucks here, we are in our Trucks tab within the My Trucks selection here. We can see I have my list of trucks, their names, their tare weights, their max vehicle weights, and if they have a current load on them, you can see that here, and we can see the last load that it would have delivered. Again, with Pro, you gain access to add trucks to your list. You can set their name, their tare weight, and their max vehicle weight. You can edit the truck, so you can change its name, any of the weights, or what truck group it belongs to, or you can archive and delete your trucks. That is the Cloud Service Truck tab at a little bit more of a detailed view here. For more instructional videos, app help, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips, please visit our support page at support.agramatics.com.